Hello, parents. Today in second grade, we officially start our spelling program. And that means that each week we will tackle some kind of a spelling pattern or a spelling rule. And then we'll learn and practice it each day of the week. And on Friday, we'll have a spelling test. You'll notice throughout the year that there will be some weeks that we skip spelling. We typically do spelling when we have 5 consecutive days in a row. I'll give you an example of when we might skip. Coming up will be the week of Labor Day. We won't be at school on that Monday, so I won't have a spelling pattern that week, and kids will not have a spelling test that Friday. Here's how you'll know that we are doing spelling that week. You might start noticing that a sheet that looks very similar to this is stapled in your child's planner. This sheet will tell you what the spelling pattern is for the week. And I'm going to go through how you can read each part of this. Please do leave that sheet stapled in your child's planner because we'll need it here at school to study from, and you'll also need it at home to study from. I typically tear it out of the planner on Thursday night and put it in their homework folder. So let's talk about what all of these colored circles mean and what this is all about. I'm actually going to start at the bottom. These are called high frequency words. Sometimes your kids might refer to them as red words. These are words that do not follow a typical spelling pattern. There is something odd about the word. And each week we will have 2 or 3 of those high frequency words. You will always know to study those at home during the week. We study them at school every day. Those high frequency words will definitely be on the spelling test on Friday. On Friday for the spelling test, there will be 10 words. This week, for example, these will be 2 of the 10 words. This blue circle explains to you what our spelling pattern or skill is for the week. For example, this week it talks all about short vowels and closed syllables and how a syllable has one vowel sound. So we're working on that with kids. What are the short vowel sounds and what is a closed syllable? It's got one vowel sound in it. That's just so you as a parent will know the skill. We also every week give you words like are in this green circle. Those are sample words that follow the pattern that you can give your child at home to study spelling. So I'm going to tell you that typically a couple of these words appear on the test, but not all of them will be on the test. The test on Friday is 10 words long. The high frequency words will definitely be on the test. I usually choose a couple of these to be on the test, but that still leaves about 6 words that the kids won't know. And here's why. We don't want them to just memorize the spelling of words. We want them to be able to spell any short vowel, closed syllable word. So if they've truly been learning and listening the pattern during the week, when it comes to the test on Friday, we won't give them any super tricky words. We will give them words that very clearly follow that short vowel, closed syllable pattern, or whatever pattern that it may be. So your children will never, ever throughout the year know exactly what 10 words are on the spelling test. They'll always know the high frequency words are on the spelling test. These will be great to practice. They'll probably see a couple of those. But again, they will be words that we have chosen as second grade teachers that really follow the pattern to see if they've learned that pattern. I hope hearing it from me kind of has helped you solidify how spelling works in your mind. You can also read what I've typed out for you here. And of course, I'm available for a phone call if you found any of that confusing. So I hope that helps with second grade spelling.